The XGB PLC has many expansion module options. This gives the user the flexibility to customize the PLC for their specific application. Let's discuss setting up digital input and output modules for our XGB PLC. We cover physically installing the modules in a separate help topic, and the wiring will vary based on the module. Please refer to the documentation for your specific digital module to view the wiring information and diagrams. We also cover adding the module to the project, either automatically or manually in a separate help topic. Once we have the module installed, wired, and added to the project, it is time to configure it. These modules are very simple and straightforward. Each DC digital input module can have a filter assigned for the module and its inputs. This filter value deals with how long the input must be on before it registers as on. A shorter value will catch faster frequency triggers, but will be much more noise sensitive. A longer value will be much more stable, but may not work for an application where the input is cycling on and off quickly. Due to the nature of alternating current, there is no configuration necessary for the AC input module, as it is hard-coded for AC signal. Each digital output module has an emergency output setting. If the PLC stops scanning, or something occurs that prevents control of the module, we can configure the module to either hold the outputs off or have them stay in their last state. This setting may be configured for each group of commons. The number of commons will vary based on the module, so these settings will look a little different depending on which module we use. This function gives us a lot of flexibility, because we can have outputs that need to be held in the last state, and others that always fail off, wired to the same output module. The XGB also supports combination modules that have both digital inputs and outputs. For these modules, we can control both the filter value for the input channels, as well as the emergency output state of the output channels.